Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey girl. Today's video is going to be all about skincare and self-care and Fenty Skin. If you clicked on the video, then you already know what we're doing today. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in to the video. I am fresh skin, fresh out of the shower. As you can see, I'm still in my robe, got my hair tied back. And I wanted to give like my honest opinion. I have been up for a while and I did wash my face earlier, but I went outside and it's hot as hell in New York right now. So I did that whole shower thing and we're gonna start fresh again. So it's still fresh skin. I have nothing on. Rinsed everything off in the shower, but I didn't do an initial cleanse like I would normally do because I wanted to give my honest opinion on this Fenty Skin, right? So before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, welcome girl or whoever. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and being part of my Lamieux Boo family. Yeah, so let's get right into this video. Alright, so initially when I got everything, I wanted to show you how it came out of the box. So we have our cleanser here. That is the Fenty Skin cleanser. It comes with a twist off cap. So I love that, and that was pretty much that one. The Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. That's this one. And it also comes with a squeeze cap, which obviously this just shows like Earth Conscious sticker on top. So clean skin. I'm not really, to be honest, like I've tried some clean skin products and they made me break out, or they really strip my skin, which is crazy because you think it's like more natural ingredients, but really did a good job of like mixing natural with a little medicated ingredients. And I'm gonna put all the ingredients right here on the screen so you guys can see. But I just wanted to show at least the initial products for now. So this is the Fat Water Toning Serum, and this one I was really itching to try this because it has witch hazel in it, but we'll get to that. And last but not least, when you get your packaging, this is your Hydra Visor sunscreen. So this is your everyday sunscreen, which is something that I really lack in. I never put sunscreen on unless my makeup comes with sunscreen. I don't normally put or buy a moisturizer with a sunscreen, so I'm really excited to try that. But first thing first, we're gonna try our cleanser. So again, this is the bottle. It's a daily cleanser, and I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of that out. That should be enough. It's like I'm taking off makeup. It smells pretty good. It smells like kind of rosy, but it is a remove all cleanser, and they do recommend wetting your face first. So I'm gonna wet my face and let you guys see what this lather looks like. So my face is wet and has a really good lather. Like, smells good. I like the fragrance. It's like not too light, sorry, not too heavy. Let me see my lashes done. She looks crazy. Alright. So again, like I haven't worn this or used this to take off makeup, but I'm going to do that this week and show you guys. That's pretty much the cleanser right there. It feels like I don't think it's something that I had before, like a jelly cleanser. Yeah, it doesn't feel like too stripping of the skin, but I've heard that it has this real moisturizing effect. Let's see, it's kind of like seeping into my skin right now. So let's wash this off and I'll let you guys know. So let's take that off now. Sorry. Let's pat my face. Alright, that feels pretty good on my face. And like I said, I'm gonna put all of the ingredients on the screen. But yeah, I see what they're talking about when they say like it leaves like a moisturizing effect on your skin. Not like you have a product on, but like if you like slap in an oil or a serum overnight and you wake up, your skin feels like supple and moisturized. I'm feeling that. Okay, so now that we cleanse, now we are going to tone with our fat water toner. This one, like I said, I was really excited to try because I'm a witch hazel girl, and it has witch hazel in it. It also has that Barbados cherry in it, which is supposed to be better than the vitamin C of oranges, and reduces the look of dark spots. So I will include all of that. Let's see the consistency of this toner. Ooh, it's like a water consistency. You guys can see that. I'm not gonna use too much. On the back of my hand. That's a lot, so I'm not gonna use too much. That shit is a lot. But yeah. It's still watery but jelly. That makes sense. Oh, okay. It smells like let's see. Like a vanilla-ish type smell. A musky type smell. Just for reference, I have combination skin, and like most people, my skin like shows its true colors in the winter. Usually in the winter, I'm full of like dry spots, and in the summer, I don't know, the summer has been more tame. I think like winter and spring, my skin not really well out. And right now, since we're wearing that mask, my skin has really been wilding out. So we're gonna see what this Fenty Skin do. Still have more left over, so I'll rub it in here. So my initial review of the toner is that fragrance is very light. It does give you like a little tingly effect. I like the way it goes on. I'm pretty sure that tingle is because of the green tea and the witch hazel. Oh, I think it has ginkgo too. So, really great ingredients. Like I said, reduces dark spots. Obviously the witch hazel is like a natural toner. Green tea is gonna rejuvenate you. It's good and it sets in. I wouldn't be scared putting this underneath my makeup. You know, like doing just 3-step process in the morning. Feeling it. We're gonna see. I like the way it's set in. It's still like setting in. I'm gonna let this in a little bit before we open. While we're opening the sunscreen. Alright, so far so good. The last product we're gonna try is the Hydrovisor sunscreen. And this one is like what everybody's talking about because you can refill it. It has a really great, yeah, it says it right here. Love your skin, respect the planet, and refill me. So instead of buying a new bottle every time, just pretty much buy a refill. This is what it comes with. This is your holder for your sunscreen. Really cute. And then this is the bottle with the Hydrovisor in it. So Hydrovisor, invisible moisturizer, broad spectrums, SPF 30. So you can see that. Right, cool, it's so cute. And just put it in there and twist it. Go twist the bottom, open and close. That's so cool. She did that. I like this. Okay. So you twist it up or down. And when it's down, I guess it's open. So let's try. Okay, alright. When it's up, it's open. When it's down, it's closed. That makes more sense, right? So let's try. That's like more than enough, especially if I was wearing makeup. Remember, SPF 30. You need sunscreen every day. Don't take my word for it, because I definitely been doing it. And I still put way too much. But it's fine. I'll put it on my neck. Whatever. Okay, this one smells like, it smells like some kind of like citrusy smell mixed with medicine. I don't really like the smell of this one that much, but it doesn't have that sunscreen smell, so that's fine with me. I don't always like to smell like sunscreen. I feel like it's so strong, but it feels great. Okay. Yeah, that feels great. I'm gonna put the rest of it down my neck. All right, baby girl. Baby girl. All right. Okay. Consistency of the hydrovisor. It definitely gives you that sunscreen vibe. I'm not gonna lie, I feel well moisturized. Like, I feel like probably should have been using the sunscreen for a long time, like everybody said. Yeah. Okay, we like this. This is cool. This feels good. So this one, like I said, it reminds me of like a citrus fruit and like medicine mix. I know it does have hyaluronic acid in it, and watermelon, which is probably what I smell, and I think it has aloe vera. Yeah, and aloe vera. So like I said, I'm gonna put all the ingredients on the screen for you guys, and like I said, this is my initial time using it, so I will have another review of how I felt wearing it through the week or after with makeup. I feel like it's gonna be fine though. If anything, my makeup will like give it a touch better depending on what kind of primer. And if you're not wearing heavy makeup, then you can go heavy with your sunscreen. You already know that. But this is good. I love the products. I love the packaging. Like, this girl, she really did her thing with this. So again, fat water tonic. Why do I keep saying tonic? Fat water toner serum. I like that one. If I had to pick like one or two of these to have, I probably would just do the cleanser. I had to pick two. I definitely would do the cleanser because it takes off makeup. And the toner serum or the sunscreen, I'm not sure yet. Initially, I would go for the toner because it has a lot of benefits, and reducing up dark spots would help with a lot of things. I could always go buy like a sunscreen or a moisturizer, even though I haven't. So yeah, I guess. Leave in the comments what you guys would pick. If you had to pick only two of these out of these three products, which one would you take? Let me know. I'm sure my review might change after I wear with makeup, but maybe not. Again, thank you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or if you just want to be a part of the community. I'm definitely going to leave everything below, but you can always find it on fentyskin.com. But I'm going to leave my initial thoughts on each one as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.